Are you looking for the best rolling stools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best rolling stools that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Antlu Rolling Stool Swivel Chair. Providing you with maximum comfort, this includes multiple features. The rolling stool has an adjustable height system that lets you choose from 20.5 to 28.3 inches. Additionally, it has a sturdy steel base so that there can be better stability. Moreover, the product has a maximum weight capacity of almost 400 pounds. This comes in durable construction and can be suitable for different purposes. Furthermore, it eliminates the need for having any assembling and comes with easy maintenance and cleaning. The product is in lightweight construction so that there can be easy mobility. You can easily choose from 3 attractive colors, and it is resistant to deformation. Number 4. Zini Swivel Salon Stool Chair. This rolling stool will provide you maximum comfort. It comes with a curved and padded backrest so that there can be optimal support. Moreover, it can be ideal for professional purposes and including office, home, salon, and art studio. This is in a 360-degree swivel design and allows you to make easy maneuverability. Furthermore, you can easily adjust the height with a convenient handle. This will meet all your needs and comes with better ergonomics. Additionally, the product has a removable backrest, and it features black bonded leather upholstery. It has a smooth surface and lets you have easy maintenance. Number 3. Boss Office Products Drafting Stool. Composed of premium quality materials, this one has a durable construction. It comes with easy maintenance and has attractive upholstery. Additionally, the rolling stool comes with an adjustable seat, and it features a vertical height range. You will also find adjustable back depth, and it has an elegant chrome finish. Moreover, you can use it conveniently with the gas lift mechanism. Furthermore, the product supports a high load capacity of almost 270 pounds. It provides you multiple options as it is in a versatile design. The product does not occupy much space as it is in a slim design. Number 2. Home Garden Adjustable Rolling Swivel Stool. Here is a rolling stool that is a blend of comfort and attractiveness. This lets you choose from 2 different colors and features an adjustable height system. Moreover, you can use it conveniently, and this can swivel in 360 degrees. Additionally, this features thick foam padding so that there can be exceptional comfort. You will also find soft padded back support. This has a sturdy construction and is composed of high-quality steel. It also comes in versatile design as you can use it for different purposes. Furthermore, the product comes with simple assembling, and you can use it for a long time. Number 1. Nova Microdermabrasion Adjustable Rolling Swivel Stool Chair. To make sure there will be better comfort, this one comes with an adjustable height system. In this rolling stool, you will find a hydraulic gas lift mechanism for easy use. Moreover, it can also swivel in 360 degrees so that you can switch in all directions. Additionally, it offers you better comfort as it has a high-density molded seat pad. You can easily move it from one place to another as it has a 5-point swivel caster. It also offers better stability with the updated base. Furthermore, the product comes in an attractive design and has wide applications. This can take loads of almost 250 pounds.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.